In this video, we are going to see the significance of Sri Rama Rama Rameti slogam. Sri Rama Rama Rameti slogam was answer told by Lord Shiva for Goddess Parvati's question. This sloka is a part of Palashruti of Vishnu Sahasranamam and also in Uttrakanta and Padma Purana 72 chapter 335 verse. Slogam tells the chanting of name Rama 3 times is equivalent to 1000 names of Lord Vishnu. How it is equivalent to 1000 names? We will see that now. In Sanskrit, numbers or weightage are assigned to each letter. Ra means 2, Ma means 5. So, 3 times of Rama is equivalent to 2 times 5 of 3 times, which is equivalent to 1000. In Rama Ragasya Upanishad, Rama is formed by 2 Jivaksharas. One is Ashtakshar mantra, which is 8 syllable, and another one is Panchakshar mantra, which is 5 syllable. Ra syllable is the essence of Ashtakshar mantra of Lord Vishnu. This mantra is Om Namo Narayanaya. If you remove Ra in this, it will be meaningless. Ma syllable is the essence of Panchakshar mantra of Lord Shiva. This mantra is Namah Shivaya. If you remove Ma here, it will be meaningless. When you combine these 2 syllables, it is called Rama. Rama is recommended for chanting. Let's see the meaning of Sri Rama Rama Rameti slokam. Goddess Parvati asked her husband Lord Shiva, "O Lord, is there any simple or quick method by which learned people are able to recite every day the 1000 names of Lord Vishnu? If so, I want to hear about it." Lord Shiva answered, "O beautiful lady, I derive pleasure by always chanting the Ramanama repeatedly, and uttering the Ramanama thrice is equivalent to reciting all the 1000 names of Lord Vishnu." The slogan simply says, we have to recite Rama, Rama, Rama every day, which will be equivalent to Vishnu Sahasranamam. Can we hear the sloka now? Parvati uvacha kenopayena laguna Vishnur nama sahasrakam patyate panditairnityam shrodhamichamyagam prabho. Ishvara uvacha Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Dattulyam Ramanama Varanane. You can see the links of Sri Rama Rama Rameti slokam chanting videos of English, Tamil and Hindi lyrics in the description box. Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu. Everything I offer to Lord Krishna.